My pandas, another shoe review is here. So I will say I'm quite excited about these purely because I really, obviously these were quite big at the end of last year and I know I'm kind of late reviewing them, but never mind, I'm still doing it, so here we are. And one thing I love about them is the whole diamante wraparound detail around the ankle and that cute diamante bow. It's just like, yes, I cannot wait to get these on. I've been like dying to try these on and here we are. So I will just obviously show you what I'm working with. The fact that this tissue kind of sticks to the diamante is a little bit annoying, but never mind. So yeah, I just want to show you obviously what we're working with and obviously the whole buckle detail and everything just before I get them on. Now that would be quite nice just to show you how I am getting them on, because I know some people do have some questions as to how does all this work, and here we are. So the buckle is slightly different to a normal buckle that you get. I don't know why they do this, but never mind. Sometimes it works and it works great, and sometimes it's a total fail. Here, I feel, if I'm honest, these aren't the greatest, just because getting these on, I've realized that the ankle straps are way too loose for me. Even though the fact that I've tightened them to the fullest, as you can see here, and clasping them on, they're not as tight as I would like them to be, which is a shame because they actually look lovely. So I just obviously wanted to show off the ankle straps and obviously all the detailing just a little bit more close up here. But yeah, just the fit is great, don't get me wrong, the shoes fit lovely. It's just the ankle strap, I would like them slightly tighter or just a better fit around the back of my heel and around the ankles, because God forbid if I got my heel stuck somewhere, these will come flying off me, I'm not gonna lie. So I think that's the only kind of downfall with these. The other thing I also really like here, I've just realised that my straps look so weird at the back. The other thing I really like here is the fact that these are a mid-heel, so they're not too high or too low, which actually makes them really nice to be in all day as well. I love this heel height for this reason. And overall, do you know what? I love that baby pink. I love the silver detailing, especially I love the whole pairing that I've done with it as well. But it is just a shame the fact that it's just the ankle straps aren't the greatest. I think that's my only downfall, like kind of negative point that I would probably say. But otherwise, you know what? These are a lovely pair of heels. They are really, really nice. But yeah, it's just a shame. So thank you for listening to me yamble on. I will now be quiet and just let you guys enjoy the rest of this video.